Have you ever wondered how cats say goodbye to the ones they love? These quiet, mysterious little beings have their own special way of saying see you later. Without words, but through subtle gestures and changes in behavior, they let us know that the time to part might be near. No matter how independent they seem, there comes a day when even the strongest start to slow down. And for us, who love them unconditionally, noticing that can be heartbreaking. But recognizing the signs our cats give us can make all the difference, helping us offer love, peace, and presence during the most delicate moments of their lives. How can you tell if your cat is trying to say goodbye? What do they need from you in that moment? In this video, we'll gently and respectfully explore the behaviors that might mean the end is near, not to make you sad, but to honor that deep, special bond. This video is a tribute to the quiet love and gratitude we share with our cats. Watch until the end and learn how to turn these moments into lasting memories. Changes in behavior. Cats are pros at hiding when they're not feeling well, so it's super important to notice even the smallest shifts in their behavior. When a cat is nearing the end of their life, they might show signs of discomfort or pain in subtle ways. One of the first things you might notice is lethargy. Your cat may become less active, sleep more, and lose interest in things they used to enjoy, like playing or exploring. It's also common for them to seek out quiet, hidden spots. They might start hiding under furniture or in dark corners of the house where they feel safe and undisturbed. This kind of withdrawal can be their way of coping with discomfort on their own. You might also see changes in their mood. Some cats get crankier and may not tolerate being petted or handled like they used to. Others might go the opposite way and become extra affectionate, wanting to be close to you for comfort. If your cat is showing these signs, the best thing you can do is create a calm, safe space for them. Give them a cozy spot where they can rest without being bothered. Try to keep their routine as stable as possible to avoid extra stress. Offer love and attention, but also respect their need for space. Keeping track of any major changes can help your vet give the best advice and care. Signs of pain. Pain can show up in all sorts of ways in cats, and spotting those signs is super important to give them the care they need. One of the first things you might notice is your cat taking on weird or unusual postures. They might curl up tightly or avoid certain movements, trying to ease the discomfort. Some cats lie on their side or stretch their legs out to feel a bit better. Another big clue is sensitivity to touch. If your cat reacts when you touch certain spots, like meowing, growling, or pulling away, that could mean those areas are hurting. It might be due to inflammation, injury, or something else going on inside. Try not to touch those spots and pay close attention to how they respond. To help a cat in pain, create a calm, cozy space where they can rest undisturbed. Soft beds and blankets can help take pressure off sore areas. Keep their routine as steady as possible to avoid extra stress. And if the pain seems to stick around, definitely check in with your vet. They can run tests, figure out what's causing the pain, and suggest treatments or palliative care to help your cat feel more comfortable. Changes in litter box habits and hygiene issues. If your cat starts having accidents outside the litter box or seems to struggle when using it, that could be a sign something's wrong. It might be due to health issues like kidney failure, urinary problems, or digestive trouble. Another big red flag is when they stop grooming themselves. Cats are usually super clean, so if their fur looks dirty or matted, it's often a sign they're not feeling well. Poor hygiene can lead to skin infections, discomfort, and even sores. To help, keep the litter box clean and easy to reach. If your cat has trouble getting in or out, try switching to a box with lower sides or add a little ramp. You can also help with grooming. Use a damp cloth or pet-safe wipes to gently clean their fur, especially in spots they can't reach anymore. Brushing them regularly can also help keep their coat clean and tangle-free. Loss of appetite and weight loss. A cat's eating habits are a big clue to how they're feeling. If your cat starts eating less or stops eating altogether, it could be a sign that something's wrong. They might even lose interest in their favorite foods, and this can happen gradually or all of a sudden. Rapid weight loss is another red flag. You might notice your cat looking thinner, with their ribs or spine becoming more visible. This can happen when their body isn't processing nutrients properly due to underlying health issues. To help, try offering tasty, nutritious foods that might tempt them to eat. Things like pâtés, wet food, or even homemade meals, with your vet's guidance. Keep food and water fresh and easy to reach, and offer small portions several times a day. If the appetite loss and weight drop continue, it's really important to talk to your vet. They can run tests, figure out what's going on, and suggest treatments or palliative care to help your cat feel more comfortable. Additional symptoms. Besides the signs we've already talked about, there are a few more that might mean your cat is nearing the end of their life. One thing to watch for is unusual discharge. If your cat has a lot of eye or nose discharge, it could be a sign of an infection or breathing issues. These can make it harder for them to breathe and cause discomfort. Ongoing vomiting or diarrhea is another red flag. If digestive issues don't go away with treatment, it might point to something more serious. These symptoms can lead to dehydration and nutrient loss, which can make your cat feel even worse. Changes in vital signs are also important to notice. Your cat's heart rate or breathing might become irregular. A healthy cat usually has a heart rate between 140 and 220 beats per minute, and breathes about 20 to 30 times per minute. If you notice anything way off from that, it's worth paying close attention. Keeping track of your cat's vital signs and writing down any changes can really help your vet figure out what's going on. If you notice anything concerning, don't wait. Reach out to your vet. They can run tests and suggest treatments or palliative care to help your cat feel more comfortable. Reaching the end of life is a delicate journey, both for our beloved cats and for us, their humans. Recognizing the signs that your cat may be nearing that moment is key to giving them all the comfort and love they deserve. Every little act of care matters. If you notice any of the signs we talked about, don't hesitate to reach out to your vet for guidance and support. Creating a peaceful space, offering fresh water, tasty food, and lots of love can really help improve your cat's quality of life in their final days. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you better understand how to care for your feline friend during this time. The love we share with our cats is forever, and every moment with them is truly precious. See you next time, and take good care of your furry ones.